What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you all the modifications that I've made to my Harbor Freight motorcycle lift. I know there's a lot of videos out there. One thing that I have that I haven't seen anybody else do, I'll show you that towards the end, but let me get into the simple modifications that I've done. Roll the intro, let's get into it. All right, the first modification I put on there is the Derek Weaver company. It is the motorcycle vice tire clamp. Pretty inexpensive. I think it's the cheapest one that you can find on there. I think I paid more for this clamp than I did the actual lift. Well worth it. Better than the tire clamp that comes with it. All right, the next modification is I added the eyelet bolts up front. I added 2 more right here on both sides. And then I've got another set towards the back. These are the standard U-bolts that actually come with the Harbor Freight lift. I did not install those, somebody else did. The one thing I did was make a modification right here. Show you that, why that's there here as well. All right, the next thing I added was this 1.5 inch foam base for like DuraSteel. I added that so when it collapses and hits this part right here, the actual beam, it's quiet, doesn't make as loud pop, just something cosmetic, easy, simple. All right, the other purpose for these eyelet bolts is to hold the brake bar, lock bar, whatever you want to call it, the bar that goes down in there to hold the lift up. Just slide it right in there. And it holds the rod in there for when you're storing it. I tapped and screwed this plate to the actual frame itself because it slides around real easy. Now I'll go ahead and show you the lift and show you how quiet it is with that foam. That's how quiet it is. Here is my favorite modification to the Harbor Freight motorcycle lift. It's a dolly to roll it around. I'll get some close-up video. Braces to hold the lift in place. This piece is notched, so when you lift it up, it does not separate the lift, it keeps it closed. And these rods go into the U-bolts, and the outer ones go into the black eyelet bolts. I'll show it all mounted up so you can see it. All right, there's the dolly all mounted. Slid through the eyelet bolts, and these are slid through the U-bolts on both sides. This one was notched earlier, so it's easier to get the pole through there. There's the other U-bolt going all the way through, and the other pole going through the eyelet bolts. Now we'll lift it up, and I'll show you how easy it is to move. All right, now to lift it up, make sure you lift with your knees. Simple as that. All right, here's what the dolly looks like once it's all mounted underneath. You got the braces holding it up. And here is those braces that hold this so it doesn't slide when you try to lift it, because it will separate. Pretty nice and handy. So I drilled the hole through here, mounted a cotter pin for this little bracket. I added a magnet to the end of it so it'll stick right there with the cotter pin so I can pull this off. Set it down right there. This piece just pops up, pulls out as well. That's the lift. Now I will roll it around so you can see. All right, now I'll show you how easy it is to move this thing. That simple. And that's the lift put in the corner with the piece of wood that raises the ramp up so I don't bottom out. And I just hang the ramp on here so it doesn't slide off. And then I just put the bike right here. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, put it down below and I'll do my best to help you out. I'll also put all the parts in the description as well. So if you want to do it, you can have all those parts. So if you liked it, hit the like button. Please consider subscribing. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And remember, guys, ride something and ride safe. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.